Exercise 12 on the page 60. Write the decimal fraction of denominator 100 that's equivalent to each of the following fractions and give the decimal number. So we have first 14 over 5, 14 over 5. So 5 to become 100 we have to multiply by 20. So we do the same for the numerator. 5 times 20 is 100, and then 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and we have a 0. And then we have two decimal digits, so we write 1 dash, 2 dash, and a decimal point. Then we start filling from the right, 0, 8, and 2, and this 0 is not useful, so we put 2.8. Then we have 15 over 4, so 4 is multiplied by 25 to become 100. 4 times 25 is 100, and 15 times 25, so here we do 15 times 25, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 1, 5, and 2, 7, leave this digit, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, so it's 375. So here we have 375. And as a decimal number, we have two decimal digits, 7 and 5 are the decimal digits. So 3.75. Then we have 16 over 50. So 50 to become 100, we multiply by 2, and we do the same for the upper side. 16 times 2 is 32 over 100. Two decimal digits is 0.32. We have 2 and 3 as a decimal digits. And then we have 43 over 20. 43 over 20. So 20 is multiplied by 5. We do the same for the upper side. And then we have over 100. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 carry 1. 5 times 4, 20, and 21. And we have two decimal digits, 5 and 1 are the decimal digits, so 2.15. And then we have 37 over 25. 37 over 25. 25 to be 100 multiplied by 4, and we do the same for the numerator, so over 100. 4 times 7 is 28, and we carry 2. 4 times 3, 12, plus 2, 14. And as a decimal number, we have two decimal digits, so 4 and 8 are the decimal digits. So 1.48. And then we have 94 over 200. So 200 to become 100, we have to divide by 2. 94 is divisible by 2, it's an even number, so we could divide by 2 and divide by 2, and it's over 100. We have here 90, which is 45. The half of 4 is 2, so 47. And as a decimal number, we have two zeros, two decimal digits, so it's 0.47. And here we have 15 over 500. So we divide by 5. Also 15 is divisible by 5, so we could divide by 5. 500 divided by 5 is 100, and here we have 3, and we have two decimal digits since we have two zeros, so we start from right, 3, and then we put 0 and 0. Here we have 70 over 1000. So to become 100, we divide by 10. and also it works for the numerator. 70 by 10 is 7, 1000 by 10 is 100, and as a decimal number we have 2 decimal digits, so 1 2 point, we start from right, 7 0 and 0. And here we have 13.5 over 50. First of all, we have to get rid of this decimal point, so we multiply by 10, and here we multiply by 10, and it's 135 over 500. So then we have to divide both terms by 5, by 5, by 5. So 13 by 5, 135 divided by 5, it's 2, 10, 3, we drop the 5, 7, 35, 0, so it's 27 over 100, and it becomes 0.27. Why? We have 2 zeros and 2 decimal digits. And finally 35.2 over 20. First of all, we have to multiply by 10 to get rid of the decimal point here, so 352 over 20 over 2 200s. So, and then we have to divide by 2 to have 100 as a denominator, so we have over 100. So the half of 2 is 1, the half of 50 is 25, the half of 300 is 150, so it's 6, 7 and 1, 176. And as a decimal number we have 2 decimal digits, so it's 1.76.